In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for Calendly, a popular scheduling tool. By following these steps, you will successfully create an account and set it up for your scheduling needs. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the website by entering calendly.com. In the address bar, once the page loads, you should see the Calendly homepage with options to sign up or log in. Next, locate the button labeled Get Started on the homepage. This button is typically found prominently displayed, making it easy to identify. Click on it to proceed to the sign-up options. After clicking Get Started, you will be directed to a new screen where you can choose your sign-up method. You will see options to enter your email address or to continue with your Google or Microsoft accounts. Select the option that best suits your preference. If you choose to continue with Google, a pop-up will prompt you to select your Google account. This step ensures that you can easily integrate your existing calendar with Calendly. Once you select an account, you may need to grant permissions for calendar data. Following this, you will be asked how you plan on using Calendly. This step helps tailor the experience to your needs. Make your selection from the options provided and then click Continue to move forward. Next, you will need to specify your role, which might include options like individual or team member. Choose the one that fits your situation best and then proceed by clicking on Continue. The next step involves connecting your calendar. You will see options for Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud. Select the calendar application you use and follow any prompts to complete the connection process. Finally, you will set your availability by selecting your working days and available hours. Ensure that you also confirm your time zone to avoid any scheduling conflicts. After making your selections, confirm your settings to finalize the setup. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.